How it be, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today now, we want to talk about now teamwork. Why I talk about teamwork? A lot of photographers we don't believe in teamwork. See, if you want to do it by yourself, now suffer. See, if you say only you now want use your head pan, carry sharp sand, the thing go turn to red mud. It go heavy you. So it good make it be say when you want carry your work, one are plenty carry am. If you dey go do shoot, at least okay, if you no even get anybody at all, go with one person at least. Even if that person no go help you, you get something wey dem dey call emotional support. I know say no be like say you get emotional problem, but that person wey you and am go dey gist, dey clear your head. That time wey clients dem dey delay, e good because if the person no dey, imagine say the person no dey and you no get network, you no go fit chat with anybody. But if you get somebody with you, even if the person no dey assist you for shoot, you wey hold camera, you no dey see reach who dey with you. If you dey work with people, man say you get like more than one person wey go assist you. Somebody go help you dey set light, one person go help you hold reflector. Sometimes one of those people sef na go even talk make your clients dem laugh. You can't do it all. Sorry, you no fit do am finish. Only you no fit do am. So when you dey work with team, no say for wedding now, you get like a big wedding where you fit hire more than one extra photographer. Like if you get second shooter, if you get third shooter. Very simple. Make one person dey with groom, make one person dey with bride, one person dey with family. All of una get assistant. If una need dey together, una make sure say una don first split, get this job done individually, simultaneously. Then una come back as group one thing. Okay, see o, we don do this, we don do this, we don do this. Wetin una think say we fit do wey go dey different? Now una no dey work under pressure again because una don get time. One person dey with bride, one person dey with groom, one person dey with family, if possible. But say family now no dey, una don finish bridal portrait and groom portrait with groomsmen from hotel. When una dey go church, three of una no even need go church. Truth be told, except una just wan go church, because if three of una go church, obviously three of una no go dey shoot, except una wan make so many pictures dey for una hard drive. But two people go church, e dey fine. Depends on how big the church dey. If the church no too big, one person fit handle the church. Okay, most say because of stress, if una dey three photographers no suppose go church. One need go to event hall. When one person dey event center before every other person arrive, while others dey church, this person go dey event center, he go take time photograph decor. If una need decor, he go take time photograph decor. E get some guests wey dey come event early. You fit get your time, play around with guests, snap them as you want, get nice pictures. You see those pictures of guests there, your guests now be guests for events, now be your next client. Most of us dey fail to me. I don't fall victim severally on this thing. So guests, we dey mistake to photograph guests. I understand say you as lead photographer, most times wetin you dey think of na how to get the bridal portraits make it nice, because if guest picture fine, your bride portrait no come out well, dem go arrest you. See that one, e no get negotiation. So I dey always concentrate on bridal portrait. My second shooter will concentrate on other things. If we dey like three photographers, very easy. I go dey with bride, second shooter go dey with groom. When bride and groom come together, I know say second shooter now go dey free. We go mostly dey with guests. By then, third shooter don already pick tables for events. If na big hall, una split am. Second shooter dey one side, third shooter dey one side. Then summarize the event, then come together. Every other thing, man say event of 5 hours, in 2 hours 30 minutes, una don summarize the event, like especially those tables and everything una go need from guests, una suppose don get am. Then these other ones na una dey concentrating majorly on bride and groom from different angles. I no see why sometimes I don go events when one team, 3 photographers dey take the same order of photograph. Why? Like wetin una wan snap differently? Order of photograph is group picture. Man no say order of photograph. Group picture. Wetin you dey snap? You dey pose group picture. Like how you wan snap this group picture with 2 cameras wey go make am look different, wey dem no go talk say na group picture? Group picture keep one person, because most times when you dey shoot weddings, no be only you dey come the wedding, other photographers dey. Get your man with the widest lens, make him take the group photograph. Except dem need you as lead photographer, say parents of the bride and groom dem wan see your face, collect the widest lens, stand there, take your picture. You no need any other person for your team to dey snap wetin you dey snap. Abi you no trust your work? As long as you trust your work, just get your thing done. Like snap this thing, move on with your life. No get 3-4 people. I no wan call names, but e don happen severally for event. I gats talk to their chief, their chairman, say guy, no vex o, I see like 2-3 of your boys dey take order of photograph. Una need all of them, abi dem need am individually? Because I gats ask, e reach to ask, why more than one person dey take picture for one team, like the same order of photograph? Una dey use the same wide angle lens, stand for the same place. Why I even forget to talk that one? Stand for the same place, dey snap the same thing with 2 cameras. Na waste of media card space. If you dey edit, e get some, e go dey count shots. If you dey edit, e go dey count shots. E get some shots wey you no go necessarily take. Yes, if you take multiple shots when you get the time to take multiple shots, but repeated multiple shots, taking one pose 2 million times, that means you no trust your shots. I believe say every shot suppose get like 5 takes, 5 frames per pose. Like most when they do events, procession, pap. You know say inside that 5, even if 3 blur, 2 go sharp. If 2 blur, 3 go sharp, but the 5 no fit blur. You no fit miss the 5 shots. If you change frames for that 5 shots, because there is no how wey you go shoot 5 frames wey you no go get a perfect one. Okay, thank you say una dey till this point. I even forget to tell una since from the onset, una subscribe. But if you dey new to this channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon, so that anytime I post video, you go be the first person to see the video. If you don't subscribe before, do well to like this video, drop your comment on wetin you think about the video and wetin we go do next. I know say we've been done delay to post video, but we've been get some technical challenges lately, so now we don't start back. We will continue to post video, nice video, both editing videos and just talks like this. Thank you say you dey with us till this point of this video. Peace. I try abi. Come inside. Okay. Nah, show that guy.
Big Daddy vibes.
So one person, see that person will just show now. Now that guy na him be our stylist, Belletti. Abigi Belletti, up Messi. So that guy na vibe. Like if that guy did any shoot, see, you fit hit him up, make him come your shoot, so that you go confirm wetin at the talk. If your client no laugh, don't say no be Belletti from Rolanzi. See that guy, that guy na fire. So wetin they talk